Buenas tardes, estudiantes. ¿Cómo están? Vamos a comenzar después de 2, 1, 2. Buenas tardes, buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y cómo te vas? ¿Cómo te vas? Bien. Now, I hope everybody is doing awesome and you are ready to learn some more Espanol. Now, as you should remember, we have been looking at las matemáticas en español. We've been doing mathematics in Spanish. And we started out by counting or adding numbers 1 to 20 in Spanish. Los números 1 hasta 20. But just in case you don't remember what numbers 1 to 20 are, let me give you a quick run through. So I want you to all look this way and you're going to say the numbers with me. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, and 20, which is 20. Now, we also were adding those numbers in Spanish. So say, for instance, we wanted to add 10 plus 10. We know that 10 is 10, and if we're adding, we're going to use the word y. In Spanish, plus means y. Y also means and, but remember, like I told you, when you're adding in Spanish, you use y for plus. So we would say 10 y 10 son, which means equal, then your answer, which is 20. Another example was 13, which is 13, y plus 3, 3, son 16, equals 16. And another example, 8, which is 8, y plus 4, which is 4, son 12, which is equals 12. Now, today we're going to be looking at los números 21 hasta 30. We're looking at numbers 21 to 30. Now I'm going to be allowing you to watch a video, and this video is going to quickly introduce you to numbers 21 to 30, and as soon as you're finished, I'm going to ask you to play this video, continue this video, so that you can look at how we break down and form numbers 21 to 29 in Espanol. Okay, I'll give you a moment to watch it and come right back here. Alright, now as you can see, numbers 21 to 29 are formed a bit different from the other numbers that we have here. Now you also notice that it's a combination of some numbers and these numbers over here, along with this word over here. However, let me break it down for you. Now the word 20 in Spanish is 20. 20 is 20. 20 is 20. That's Veinte. However, when we are writing numbers 21 to 29 in Spanish now, there's going to be a little bit of a change. What happens is that the E is now going to be changed to I. So it becomes VeintI followed by uno, or Veinti followed by dos, Veinti followed by tres, etc. So to get number 21, it would be Veinti followed by the word that is one in Spanish, which is uno. 22 is going to be veinte followed by the number 2 in Spanish, which is dos, right here. 23 is veinte followed by the Spanish word for 3, which is tres, so that is veintitrés. 24 is going to be veinte followed by the Spanish word for 4, which is cuatro. 25 is veinte followed by the Spanish word for 5, cinco, so it's veinticinco. 26 is veinte followed by seis, which is veintiséis. 27 is a Spanish word for 20, but with the change in the I, veinte followed by the Spanish number word for 7, which is veintisiete. 28 becomes 28. 29 becomes 29. And then 30 now is a different word all in itself. It's 30. 30 is 30. So let me go through them with you. We have 21 is 21. 21. 22 is 22. 22. 23 is 23. 23. And remember, the letter V sounds like a B in Spanish, okay? That's why I'm saying 20. So it's not a B right here, but it's just that the V in Spanish sounds like a B, all right? Now, 24 is going to be 24. 24. 25 becomes 25. 25. 26 becomes 26. 26. 27 becomes 27. 27. 28 becomes 28. 28. 29 becomes 29. 29. And 30, like I said, is 30. It is 30. So let's try to count together. 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. And 30 is 30. Muy bien. Now, today we're going to be adding bigger numbers. So that means we're going to be adding these numbers and these numbers so that we can get these bigger numbers in Spanish. Or you might see some of these bigger numbers with some smaller numbers so we can get these numbers over here. So when you're adding today, you're going to be getting bigger numbers than what you've been getting before. When you do your addition, you should be getting numbers starting with 20 or just bigger than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're adding today, and I'm going to be giving you some examples right here. So this says ejemplos, and ejemplos means examples. The first one says 10 plus 5 equals 25. Now, what is 10 in Spanish? 10 is 10. To add, you say y, and 5 is 5. So 10 plus, I'm sorry, this is actually supposed to be 15, guys. Let me just fix it for you. Lo siento, I'm sorry about that. So it's 10 plus 15 equals 25. So 15 is 15, and then 25 now is 25. So it would read 10 y 15 son 25. Now let's look at the next one. It says 12 plus 16 equals 28. If we're writing this over in Spanish, 12 is 12. Y means plus. 16 is 16. Son is equal, and 28 is 28. So it should be 12 y 16 son 28, which is 12 plus 16 equals 28. The third example says 17 plus 9 equals 26. Now 17 is 17. Y means plus. 9 means 9. Son means equals, and 26 means 26 in Spanish is 26. So your answer should read 17 y 9 son 26, which is 17 plus 9 equals 26. Now the last example says 26 plus 3 equals 29. 26 again is 26. Y means plus. 3 means 3. Son means equal, and 29 is 29. So it's 26 y 3 son 29. 26 plus 3 equals 29. So those are all the examples we just went through. So remember now, when you're writing numbers 21 to 29, there's a little spell change. We move from 20, which ends with the E. 20 is 20. We change the E now, and the E is going to be changed to the letter I. So it becomes 20. So we don't say 21, 22, 23, 24. No, 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 no. No es correcto. We say 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 30 is 30. Okay? So you have to remember that. Try to ensure that you have it's the spelling. Try to ensure that you have the correct spelling. The E becomes I when you're forming numbers 21 to 29. Okay? And 30 is 30. 20, 20, and 10 is 10. Now, I have an activity for you to do, and this activity is going to be done a bit differently from how we normally do it. It's going to be done on what I call a live worksheet. Now, I'm going to be sending another video explaining how that works. However, if at any point in time you are unable to access the website to do this activity, it's an online activity. If you're unable to do the activity there, I'll be sending the activity in a Word document for you to complete it. You can write it out in your book, or you can print the activity sheet and do it on it, whichever is okay for you. All right. So this one should be much easier because you won't have to worry about printing it, and all you need is your device, your phone, your laptop, or your tablet, and you're going to be drawing lines, not using a pencil but your mouse or your touchpad or your fingers if you're using a phone or tablet, and then you can enter words and letters and so on and so forth. So I will send another video explaining how to use that website and the instructions as to how you would send the information back to me so I can know that you have completed your work. Okay, so I hope that you were able to grasp the concept that we're doing today. Remember, we're doing la adición, which is addition in Espanol, but today we're moving on from number 20 and we're going all the way up to number 30. So numbers 21 to 29, they were 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So I'll be sending you a list of numbers 1 to 30 in Espanol, along with the video that you can watch to remind you of how to pronounce these numbers in number names in Spanish, and then also the video to advise you how you can go ahead to complete the activities on the website that I'm going to be sending you the link for sometime soon. Okay, so for now, adios, 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 adios.